Want to make money with TikTok? I am going to show you exactly how to start making money from the TikTok Creativity Program with the perfect niche. This is the easiest and most profitable niche to start with. These videos tend to go super viral, and I have some secret tips to increase the chances for going viral. The niche we are talking about are Reddit stories. You probably have seen, but we are applying some secret tips to improve the video's engagement for going viral. So watch the video till the end and take action now. So let's get started. Go Google and search for CapCut, where we are going to edit videos. This is totally free program and super easy to use. Create a user here, and once you have done it, you should see a screen like this. Let's create a new video. Now choose 9:16 ratio. Now we need a background video. For that, go to YouTube and search for loop background. Click on the filters and choose Creative Commons. Now here are some choices to put as background. You can also use Minecraft gameplay background if you want by searching Minecraft and choosing Creative Commons video. I usually use loop backgrounds, so it is different from the others. Now if we have the background chosen, copy the YouTube video link and search an MP4 downloader from Google. Click this one and paste the video link here and download the video. When the video is downloaded, open CapCut again and import the video here. Place the video here like this, so it is full screen. So now, leave CapCut open and go to reddit.com. Search a subreddit named like this. Now here are stories from people where they have a funny and juicy confessions. The reason we use this subreddit is because they are super crazy stories and people are engaged in the story. Now pick one of the stories and make sure you select more interesting stories. Keep in mind that the video needs to be at least 1 minute long to earn money from TikTok Creativity Program, so pick a bit longer story, or you can use 2 stories in one video. Now make a screenshot of the story headline, which we are going to use later. Once you have story selected, copy the story and search ElevenLabs from Google. Here we are going to get the voiceover. If you don't have a user here, make one. Once you are registered, you can choose a voice from the voice library. Once you have chosen the voice, copy and paste the Reddit story here. You need to also fix some of the wording here. Once it's done, let it generate in VoiceOver and download it. Import this to CapCut. Import the story headline screenshot as well and place it above here. Now we need to add captions. To do that, go to Captions and add Auto Captions. Let it generate the text. Now pick a font you want to use. I usually use Montserrat font and make the text bigger. Once it is ready, we want captions to come word by word. And go to Animations and select the bounce out animation from here. Now move the text to center. Now let's add some edge glow to make the video look better. Go to Effects and search for Edge Glow. Place it above the video and make it full length. Set the adjustment around 4. Now we want to add call to action to the end of the video. So we want to add something like this to the end of the stories. What's your biggest confession? Comment down below. To do this, go to text and choose a template you want to use. Then write the call to action here and place it at the end of the video. Adding this increases the engagement rate and makes the video go more viral. Now the video is ready. Let's export it and download it, and you are ready to upload this to TikTok. When uploading to TikTok, keep in mind to use trending sounds as a background. You can set the volume of the music super low, so you will get the benefits of trending sounds. To apply for the TikTok Creativity Program, you need to meet the following requirements. Have at least 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Also, the videos need to be at least 1 minute long to monetize them. So, it will probably take some time to get to 10,000 followers, but it is super easy on TikTok. And that's it for today, guys. Keep in mind that the key to succeed in TikTok Creativity Program is consistency. Don't just upload 3 videos and think you are going to be a millionaire. Remember that. Subscribe and keep grinding, guys.